Hi guys.
Hi guys. So welcome to today's vlog. We were going to record at Home Depot, kind of showing you guys what we're going to be working on. Since there were so many people at Home Depot, we just kind of figured, okay, well, we'll just record everything when we get home. So as you can see behind us, we have like 3 mirrors. I got these at Target for $3 each, which was a very good price, deal. A very good deal. And then we got this huge long piece of wood to kind of make a shelf going under.
So basically at Home Depot we just got supplies to make a shelf and we're gonna show you.
But we hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas and your New Year's with friends and family, and we're just most of all so grateful for being alive and just God giving us another day of living. So one thing that I was reminded by while staying with our family back in the desert for Christmas was that, you know, God is bigger than everything. And so looking at everything that God has created and even being able to create us and seeing the mountains and the flowers and like just seeing little things in my house and kind of thinking in my head like, wow, God is bigger than everything, and he knows how much grains of sand is in a beach. So I just think even that alone is crazy. Like, it blows my mind because that's how big God is. So also another thing that we like to remember is, you know, Jesus being born. God had a purpose for him, and that was to die on the cross for our sins and to give us another chance, you know, and another chance of finding faith. Christmas is a very important and special holiday for us, and that's why we just really love Christmas. We do hope that you guys enjoyed your time with families and friends, or family and friends.
So also make sure you guys like and subscribe. It really
down below.
It really encourages us to keep putting videos out there, and we want to try to do it on a more regular basis. But we really want to try to get out there and reach to our friends and family, and, you know, maybe of a new community. And we really appreciate the support from everyone.
Whatever you guys would like to see on our channel, please let us know down below. We kind of made this way too long, yes.
Alright, so we're gonna show you the shelf that we're working on, and it's pretty simple, you know, so we'll go ahead and talk through it as we're doing it. Alright, so now what we got is we got our 80 grit sandpaper, or sanding block, 100 grit sandpaper, and then 220 sandpaper so we can make it nice and smooth. And then we got these wall mounts. These were like, I think $1.97 or something. So we got 3 of those, and then we got our screws. We're gonna get to sanding now. So now that we got done sanding with all 3 of our papers, I'm going over it with just like a damp towel to make sure we get all the extra sawdust off or anything like that, so that way it doesn't hinder the stain at all. Alright guys, so right now we're going to start to stain. We're using a dark walnut, so that's really, you know, go down to Home Depot or wherever and pick what you want. Then we also have our satin clear coat, no, matte clear coat, and I don't think there's really any difference between brands. And then right here I just have a water bottle cut up so I can pour the stain in there. So I'm just going to mix it before we open it. So also, if you guys don't have a skill saw and you want to do something like this, you can go to, can you take the measurement in your house of what you need, and you can go to Home Depot and they can cut it for you there for free, I believe. Alright, so we stained it. We stained all the sides, and then it sat for a couple hours. So we're gonna go ahead and like distress it. First, we're gonna sand it with a really fine sandpaper, and then we'll probably hit it with a hammer in a few places to give it that distressed look. Alright, so we just finished sanding it, and it definitely lightened it up a little. You can see like all the grains. You can see it really nicely right there. So it definitely lightened it up. Okay, so we're gonna put on the clear coat now.
Alright you guys, so since it's getting pretty late, we didn't know that the stain and the clear coat would take so long. I feel like having a mantle would kind of make a huge change in our house and just make it look more full, and just not making the white wall looking plain. So we're really excited, and we are going to end it off tonight, and we'll show you into it tomorrow. Okay you guys, so it's already the next day, and what we're going to do is we are getting a hammer, and we are going to be hitting the mantle to kind of make it look more older, and just kind of put a little character into our mantle. This is an option whether you want to do it or not. Yeah, so we'll get started with that.
Alright, so we're about to mount it. I got all the brackets on. The way I did it was I found the center stud that we're going to use, and we got lucky and it's actually centered with that. And then I just went out 2 stud lengths to get the sides, and you drill it in. And I had like a laser so I could make sure it was nice and level, and we also had a level on top. So I'm just going to make sure it's level. Which it is.
Okay, so now that we just got done putting on the mantle and the mirrors, I found some stuff that I wanted to put out here just to give it more of a character and just to make the mantle pop. I found these little branches in front of our house, and I decided to kind of just pull these out. And I also found these leaves that were falling off a tree, so I just decided might as well use them since they were on the ground. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start placing these things up, and we'll get started with that. So